Hello, my name is Kadi, and I just wanted to show you guys my live trading. We're getting a bit of a later start in the day. I woke up mad late. Price action doesn't look the best, so I'm not trying to force anything, but I did see this potential 10-minute setup that it seems like price may be getting into, because the stop loss because of the wick is so large. I did set it to be the 50% range of that, so we'll see. On the 2 minute, I felt like there could have been a potential thing for me, and price would have hit TP if I took it, but I was too afraid to take it, honestly, because I don't know, like, price isn't really looking like my ideal, so I kind of want to take, better setups. Today's Friday, it's the last day of the week, and I kind of want to end it on a high note, rather than like giving profits back. But I said to myself, like, even if I lose twice today, I'll still be up for the week. So just trying to do that, but also, just hold myself accountable and make sure I'm taking the best trades that's possible. And it's the trade that I was letting y'all know now. Letting y'all know about. I'm really tired. So this is the only thing that I'm looking for as of right now. Price action is kind of not the best right now, so I'm just kind of just going with what I have, what I see. Price seems bullish a bit. I'm like feeling like price may want to target these highs up here, so I'm banking on that. We'll see, like, price tapped into this liquidity or this zone right here and then has made its way up, so I'm hoping that price is just parking here for a bit. Let's check news. So yeah, there's no high impact news today. There's some stuff at 10 a.m. Oh, hold on. I'm taking off my chart. But I don't want to, but I am. But I'm not trying to get glazed off of some high impact news. I done been there before, so I reckon people are waiting. So I just took my trade off because it is 9:52. So I'm glad that I checked news because I almost got myself in a crazy situation without even realizing it. So the news could do two things: stop me out, or go into my direction and then hit TB. That's really, or not like do anything at all, like revolving around my ideas. So yeah, okay, I'm glad that I checked news. I'm so happy that I checked news, because yeah, I probably would have stuck into that trade, and I can see it still working out. But yeah, it's 6 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait till after 10 and see what we get from there. All right, we got 5 seconds till 10 a.m. Let's see what it does. Oh shit. See that, I mean, obviously I'm not in that trade, but yeah, I was thinking about it because 10 had that little thing. I was thinking about this rejection, and then price just tapped into this 10-minute jump zone, so they have a little bullish power. But yeah, I think I'm gonna chill and see what price does in the next like 5 to 15 minutes, and then take it play by play from there. But so far, it's like we're just in a range. I don't want to take anything that I don't feel like confident or don't feel like is that good. Like, I don't want to rush it. Again, we're up on the week. If we take 2 losses again, we're still up. So I'm in a good space, I'm in a good space right now. So I don't want to, try to rush into anything. No need for that. So I'll let y'all know.
You want to go to the messages again?
Yeah.
Stop field.
Okay.
field.
So I don't know if you saw that. I was on a Teams call with the intern, literally speakers on. So he heard order filled, stop filled, order filled. So we ended up losing that first trade. Bit of a bummer because it was really close to TP. But then we took a second trade, which was our original trade idea. So remember that fib level that we initially had, but because it was getting to 10 o'clock, we stayed away. So I actually ended up getting into the setup, and yeah. So we've lost $36 for today due to the commission and the fees. Genuinely, hold on. Like, how do I feel? I don't feel bad about the loss because I won like right after it. So I don't know, price action is just not the best currently, but I don't know. I'm eyeing. I'm not too sure about this. I can see potentially price coming up into this area. Hold on, I'm about to show you guys, don't worry. Okay, so this is on the 10 minutes. So price went to that zone and then made a move at 10 a.m. and that's what gave us that wick. Now I see maybe price might go back up to that zone and then, you know, have a rejection like how I had before. But so far that's what I'm looking at. Yeah. Should I go for this sell right here? Be impulsive. I'm gonna go for this sell. Oh shit, hold on. I'm gonna go for this sell though. Wait, hold on. Let's see where price is on that one. 95.25. 95.25, right. 95.25, but 10 minute for a sell. Let's see if we can get a nice reaction again off of this zone. Maybe, potentially, we'll see. I'm hoping, but if we lose this trade, I'm definitely done for the day. And yeah. Alright, price is coming up into the zone. We might get a tag in, but I'm not too sure. Let's see what price does. Oh. Oh man. Oh, don't do it. Bro, don't do it. Bruh, just hit CP. Did me dirty like how it don't normally do, but it be doing, bro. Bro. Alright. Now, I'm just wondering, like, should I go on and take the zone? Because, I mean, price had a strong rejection off of it, so I still feel confident, but, you know, when it hits my TP, I get a little bit like, bro, I think I'm late into the zone or late into the trade, or, you know, like whatever, like. Like, I don't know, I'm looking at price and I'm like, okay, we got this huge ass zone right here. I don't know, yo. But yeah, let's see what price does here. I'm still bearish temporarily, of course, you know, on this area. I feel like price may want to continue forward depending on how everything looks like. I'm not sure. Like, I still feel like we got more shit to go. Like, I feel like price may continue going up. I don't know if it will respect the zone. Like, I feel like it could. Hold on. This is all experiment. Like, I feel like it could still respect the zone just for a little bit. But let's see what price is giving us. How do I feel emotionally? Turn the camera back to me. It sucks to have that loss, or to have a trade idea and it work out in your favor and you're not in it. It does suck. And with that, I think I want to take off my exit, and I want to take a trade that I feel, like very confident in. Like, I still feel like price may want to push up, and I don't want to be the one that's in a sell when that happens, because price already tapped into the zone. Dude, I don't know. I'll let y'all know. I decided to put my first entry back in because if it loses, then that's okay, and then that'll be the end of my day. We're still up on the account, and I don't want to downplay my ideas, because what if it hits TP, and then I'd be like, I should have took it. I had the idea. I'd rather take an idea that I wanted to take and it not work out than not take it and then it goes in my favor, right? But it's the paradox, man. You're never gonna really be happy until the market does exactly what you want it to do. So right now I have 2 entries. So I have this 10-minute bullish setup right here. If price comes down into the zone, got my 50% level a little bit under, because my stop loss would have been within the wick, and I don't like that, so I put it a little bit under. And then of course I still have my edge play 10 minute. This is all in the 10-minute over here that I have set just in case. But yeah, I'm just looking on the 2-minute, and it seems like we're in a range. So if price comes down to that zone, I have a lot more confidence that it could hit TP because of this range, and maybe it's just wanting to play within it. But only time will tell. So yeah, I'll let y'all know though. Yeah. Bruh, it's been choppy this entire time, so I feel like price is building up orders. I have 2 setups set on the chart. There's one for the edge play on the bottom, so going for a buy, and then one on top going for a sell. It's currently, sorry, let me get that. Hold on, where that is. Currently 10:44. Yeah, I don't know what price wants to do. It's definitely building up orders, so I feel like it's gonna have a big move soon. I just don't know in what direction. But yeah, like I don't want to be here too long. I don't want to get too glued to the charts. Today wasn't really a good day for price anyway, so I don't want to get too much of my too exposed today. We did take an L and we made it back, but commissions brought our thing down. So it's like I just want to take it easy, and if I get emotional, like just call it a day and kind of take it. Like if I lose, it'll suck because that's losing profit, but I don't want to not take chances on things that I like and see. So that's the kind of the dilemma and paradox of being a trader, just getting apart on these setups. It's like right here, bro, I seen this range and I could have won like so many times right now just playing in this range. Like I could have won like 2, 3, 4 times, but I just been afraid, and that's just something that I need to improve on. It's like once I see the range, bro, take it, bro. And I seen it since price was coming into here, and I wanted to take the buy, and I didn't take it because of fear, and now it's like a lot of regret right now because we're just playing in price, and like people are making money right now, dude. Like go for that sell. We're looking 51.91. Let's see if price comes down to this area. See? Alright, would have been ticked if it comes down. So we might be getting into this trade. How do you feel about it? I mean, we'll see. If Price wants to fuck us up,
Order filled.
that's okay, man. So Price tapped into that area that I was looking at, and I'm just hoping exactly for Price to give me a retracement. And yeah, yeah, I'll let you know. Honestly, I am nervous, like my heart is beating on this one because I'm like, am I too late to this? Like, is this, like, is Price way more bullish than I think that, you know, it'll reject, you know, it's just so much. So I think, you know, if this hits TP, I'm gonna be done for the day because I don't need the stress. I don't want to get too emotional. Like, I feel pretty good. Like, there's some like, oh damn, but it's not like how it was, nowhere near how it was previously. I do have a Teams meeting at 11. It's currently 10:51. So yeah, I'm hoping that this goes in my direction. But if it doesn't, I could understand why. But yeah, that's where Price is right now. Looks close to.
Order filled.
Hey, let's go. It hit TP. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it for the day. Take that order. Let's see where we at. So we're 375. So not far from where we originally were when we first started it. I think we're up like a trade. Yeah. So 125. Huh? How did I lose 125? That's on some weirdo shit, bro. That's weird. Bro. Anyway. Yeah, we were 2-1 today. Bro, that's crazy. You know I set my shit and I did not move my stop loss today. That's something I did not. So I don't know how the fuck that happened, bro. That's crazy. Probably slippage. Goddamn. Alright, so I'm an emotional person. Today was basically like, it was a 2-1, but it was with the profits, it was basically like 1-0 essentially, but we were 2-1 today. All the trades we took were 1-to-1 setups, which is pretty cool. Let me see. Yeah, 1-to-1 setups. We lost in the first one so quickly. It was kind of crazy. But yeah. And let me just, did I show y'all? Bro, I'm so tired. That's where we are in the account at the end of this week. I don't know if I showed you that, but bro, I've been up since, or I didn't go to sleep till like 5 a.m. Literally, like. So, yeah. Price action, it felt like it aligned with the fact of that. Like, I didn't go to sleep till 5 a.m. Like, price action felt like it did the same. But yeah, let me prove. I closed down Ninja Trader. Okay? Closed down Ninja Trader. Now, if I still want to trade, my playground is here. Okay? Today was this week was a good week, like, for the bounce back, you know. And, like, I always get into these grooves where, you know, I'm able to move within the markets and, you know, just take the kind of setups that I like and enjoy to take. But it always seems like I get tripped up, and that's when, you know, I take a loss. Like bro, I took a loss today and I wasn't upset. Like, I didn't press. I was just like, all right, let's just find another trade, you know. And some days, a lot of the time, it's like this. It's like, oh, I take a trade. All right, that's cool. Yeah, let me try to find one, or, you know what, I'm cool for today, you know. And I don't know, it's some days where it's so easy, like today, but then there's days like Wednesday where I just go out of control and I freak out and I'm just like, you know. So I just want to improve on that and reduce any of those situations happening, you know. There really is no reason for me to be tilting and losing all my profits in one day. Like, tilting is normal, but there really isn't any reason for me to be losing $1,000 in a day when I have a risk management that says only $200 in a day. So those are the things that I need to work on and improve. It's easy to say these things when you're winning. It's harder to do it when you're losing, or you feel like a loser. So yeah, I got a Teams meeting in 5 minutes, but that's gonna be the end of my trading day on the official account, maybe not on the regular account. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.